Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and first of all, let me say I'm sorry about my makeup today. I don't really love it, but I did try some new makeup out, and sometimes that happens, so we're gonna roll with it. But yeah, so just excuse that, pretend like I don't look as horrendous as I do, please, and we'll just, you know, move on from that real quick. Anyway, also the lighting is not being my friend in this video, as you can see by the difference of over here and over here. But we're gonna just go with it. This is gonna be a chill video. This is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, if you didn't notice that already by the title. But these videos are always pretty chill. We're just gonna open the box, look at some makeup, and talk about it. So hopefully my horrendous makeup and horrendous lighting doesn't bother you too much. But jumping right in, this is what the box looks like every month. It is a $25 subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size, deluxe-size samples, and they are always pretty great, so excuse that. So I do enjoy Ipsy. So opening it up, it always says, so be pretty like them, be pretty like you in there, and then it's got this yellow foamy insert thing. Now, last month they forgot my card, which made me very sad. So hopefully this month I have one, and I don't have a card. Cool. Oh wait, maybe it is this. It is this. It opens. Just kidding, I have a card. Okay, sorry Ipsy. This says, find your light. September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Hashtag discover yourself. So that's cute. So first thing I see is this. This is by Ciate London. Oh, it's not what I thought it was. Dang. This is Ciate London. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Still exciting. I thought this was a highlighter, and I freaking love Ciate highlighters, so I was really excited. But translucent powder is still cool. I don't have many, so I'm always excited to try a new one if I can open it. There we go. It looks like this. Super cute. It's got the like gold packaging with the bow on top like it always does. It says Ciate. Yeah, it's a translucent powder. It does of course have a sifter on there. And that's it. Not really much else I can say about a powder, but I am excited to try it. Let's see how much this thing retails for. 22 doll hairs. So with this alone, you've pretty much paid for the box. So that's exciting. Let's see, what else do we get here? This is Apto Skincare. It's a pomegranate mask. I've never heard of this brand. The packaging is cardboard. I think it's probably recyclable. We don't do animal testing, so that's great. Ciate London is cruelty-free too as well. They're Leaping Bunny certified. Okay, let's just open it. What is this, pomegranate mask? It looks like this. I was not expecting it to be yellow, I will say that. I was expecting like a red pomegranate color, but doesn't really smell like pomegranates either. Just smells like skincare. What are you supposed to do for me? It says, backed by top estheticians. There we go. I am blind without my glasses, you guys. Like, it is so bad. Apto, I'm not sure, removes fluff and filler to create clean skincare formulas like the soothing antioxidant-rich mask. This one I just don't know how to say. Azaliac acid gently removes dead skin cells, while pomegranate and green tea, love green tea, help calm inflammation and restore balance. Okay, so it's supposed to exfoliate and restore balance. So it's gonna like color balance, it's going to calm your skin, which again will get rid of redness, and it's going to exfoliate. This is valued at $36. So that's kind of cool. I'm never really too excited about masks. I'm not really into skincare very much, not as much as I should be, but I will try it for sure. Next thing in here is by Illamasqua. This is a Antimatter lipstick. That's a cool name for a lipstick. It's in the shade Solar. That's fun. I've never tried any Illamasqua lips products before. I've only tried one concealer from them, but their packaging is super sleek. It's black. It kind of concaves on the sides and on the front there, if you can see. Like it's like a square shape, but it concaves in the middle there, so it kind of like comes out on the corners. I don't know how else to explain that, but looks like this. The lip bullet concaves too. Doesn't really smell like anything. Pretty pink shade. I don't know necessarily that this is like 100% a color that I would love, but it is a pretty formula and I think I will definitely try it. It says, these beloved Brit, what? That's not English. These beloved Brit purveyors of cruelty-free beauty know a thing or two about going bold. For example, this non-drying lipstick in a vibrant poppy coral sweeps on with the immediate color payoff. Vitamin E infused formula conditions lips for a creamy application. Retails for $27. That's an expensive lipstick, but I am excited to try it. Okay, so this next product I knew I was getting and I am super excited about it. Well, I didn't necessarily know this one, I just knew something from this collection, but that is the Ofra and Madison Miller midi palette, but a Miller Squad is the shade of this. I'm super excited. 2 glistening highlights and a perfect pink blush. I of course watched Madison Miller. She's also an Ipsy affiliate, so I'm pretty sure you can get like this whole collection on Ipsy's website if you want any of it, which I do. I want all of it. But I'm really excited because I do obviously want the whole collection. Dropping things. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's a soft touch matte white. Opening it up, it's got a nice size mirror there. And then it does have 2 highlights and a blush in the middle. I know this blush is one of the bigger blushes. Like there's 2 blushes, 2 highlights, 3 lip products, and this I believe. And this blush is one of the larger pan blushes, but these highlights are not. Weird, my highlighter is like, can you see that? Like it's like popped out here. Huh. That makes me slightly nervous. I don't want that to break. I wonder if I can push it. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that, but yes. Anyway, this retails for $35. So the blush you can get in like a large single pan, but these 2 highlights are not the same highlights, is what she said in her Ipsy video anyway. So let's swatch. I wish they had names, but it's just called the Miller Squad palette. Ooh, so pretty. Those are pretty. I really like the lighter highlight. The darker highlight might be too dark for me, but I will definitely try it out. And the blush is really pretty. It looks really soft, which I like in a blush. So definitely stoked about that. And I like the mirror. It's a nice size. And I already think I said, but this retails for $36. So that's exciting. Really do like it. I already have blush on the front of it because it is a white packaging. So anyway, moving on to the final and probably most exciting for you guys option, or what? Item, and that is this. This is the Nomad X Berlin. I don't know what that says. Do you tell me? Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $37, and this is an entire palette out of the wall. That's funny. Berlin, for 28 years, a subculture of resistance and opposition grew in a city divided. Politics, art, and music all interested for the rebellious youth fighting against the establishment. Not presidents, prime ministers, nor monarchs could make the difference. In the end, it was the humanity that the wall was built and the wall came down. That's really cool. That's like an actually really cool thing for an eyeshadow brand to collab with. Very historical and definitely something that probably needs more recognition than what it has now. There we go. But I'm also really just excited about the eyeshadows. I wish so much that I could like do something about this lighting because I'm like awkwardly over here so I don't look like Two-Face with half my face light and half dark. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, so it's very grungy is the first word that comes to mind opening this up, but I really like the press in the palette. Like its normal press for Nomad Cosmetics, at least that I've seen, is this one in the center here, just that little M. but the rest of the shades have a really fun skull imprint, like that one. Can you see that very well? Yeah, that's fun. It's like a skull with a mohawk. I'm excited about this actually a lot. Kreuzberg, I think is how you say that word. Club knot. There are so many words in here that I am probably Dutch punk, that I'm probably butchering. Touchless, techno. Yeah, I don't know these words. I'm definitely gonna have to do some research on those. I'm gonna swatch a couple, but we're not gonna like swatch the whole palette because I definitely want to try this out, probably on camera in like a future. Oh my gosh, these are so buttery, and like a future first impressions. But we'll swatch a couple. I automatically went for the 2 greens and the purple in the palette because I'm predictable. But this is, I believe, Kreuzberg. It's like a mint. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's like a mint frosty color with like a yellow shift to it. We've got Love Parade, which is a like a deep purpley plum color. And then we've got NDW, which is slightly patchy compared to the other two. It's like a muted down foresty green. Let's do a matte shade too, just because. Is there only one matte shade in this whole palette? That'd be crazy. There is, oh my goodness. 2. I guess NDW is kind of a matte, but it's got like a slight shimmer to it. But the only one that I see in here that is like matte, I can't say it, Orange stripe. I don't know. Somebody who knows this language better than me, let me know that I'm butchering it down below, but that's the matte shade. These are all super creamy and super buttery, and I'm definitely excited about it. So that's fun. Let's do a quick little recap here, because this box was exciting. Of course, the palette I'm super excited about, which again retails for $37. Loud noises. But I'm super stoked about this. I think it's really pretty. Nomad Cosmetics does make some really nice shadows, so this is the first palette that I have from them though. But I am going to definitely try that out in a future video. The mask is probably the thing I'm least excited about. Oh, now the sun moves. Now we look fine at the end of the video, of course. Anyway, the mask is probably the thing I'm the least excited about, just because, again, I don't get like super excited about skincare. Unless it's moisturizers for some reason, I'm always super stoked for moisturizers. Probably because my skin is super dry. But when it comes to like masks and stuff, I don't do them as much as I should. But maybe that's like their way of telling me, hey, do some skincare work. But anyway, the thing I'm most excited about is, of course, the Madison Miller little quad here. I will definitely be trying this out. I want to get the rest of the collection and do like a full review on it. If I don't wind up doing that, I might just do this in like a first impressions video. The translucent powder I'm excited about. I really like Ciate London. I feel like they're a very underrated brand. So I'm definitely going to try this out. And of course, I have one translucent powder that I'm like in love with. Sun moved back. And that will be in a future, not first impressions, a future favorites video, because I'm working on one, because I've actually been trying to do makeup here recently, so you'll see that soon. But I'm definitely excited to try another one. So there's that. And then the last thing is the Illamasqua lipstick. I'm not like thrilled about the color, I'll be honest, just because if I reach for this color, I usually want a liquid lip. I definitely reach for liquid lips more than lipsticks, unless it's like just a light nude color that I just want to have for a couple hours and I don't really care if it fades. But like a fun color, I don't really reach for, but I will definitely try it and let you guys know how I feel about it. But that's the box, you guys. This is a really good box this month. I'm happy with this one. Let me know down below what you guys got, and if there was something in your box that you loved or that you hated, let me know. And yeah, that's everything. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.